Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to show you Canva interface. So once you logged in Canva, you will get this entire interface. So here you can see settings like download the app, and here whenever you click, you will get like settings, and you can change your profile picture as well as logout option. So I'm not showing these things only because of some privacy issue. So let us come down, and you will see here templates like infographics, photo collages, desktop wallpapers, graphs, book covers. So if you want to edit, you just click on any design and you can edit easily. So when you come here, you will get project option, template option. Project is something which you have already designed and you will get here. So you can see here folders, designs and images. So these are the images which is prepared or created or made by me. So you can see here. So whenever you create something, you will get all these things in your own design option, image option or folder, whatever. Go back and you can see templates here. Now these are the popular topics. These are the featured collections you may like and trending near you. These are the trending options which are in the market, new in Canva. These are the designs which are new in Canva. So here you will get two options like paid options and free options. Okay. So whenever you look at this picture, see there is no symbol, but whenever you come to this picture, you will get pro. That means you can only download it or you can only use it if you have pro account on Canva, or when you pay money to Canva, they will get access. And we have both account. Like when you click here, you can see personal, and we are using Canva as a team like 4 member, and that is pro account. So I think for the beginners, free account is sufficient, but for of course for some features you need pro account. Just don't worry, you just come to the Canva platform, check everything and see what interface is and what are the services Canva is providing. So meet you in the next lesson. For now, bye bye.